Hi, in this tutorial, I would like to show you on our setting page. Okay, so basically, companies, we will upload our own logos over here. Okay, we will find your organization ID over here. This will be used by the mobile app. Okay, for outlet, you can see all the outlets settings over here. Okay, we have the rest day. You can set like which day is your rest day for your company, and also the invalid clocking distance. This is used by mobile app as well. Okay, so 100 means 100 meter. Okay, if you want to narrow it down to 50 meters, you just put in 50. Okay, so by editing them, just click on the orange button over here. So for the device, we will put in our MAC address. Okay, and then for those that who use our mobile app, you will need to put in the coordinate. But all of this we will set up for you from the first time setup. Okay, next will be the roles. Okay, so we will have employee, we will have company admin, we will have outlet admin, we will have head of department, HOD. Okay, and then we can limit their access to their departments only. For example, that you want your account department to handle their own employees, you just need to select limit to department to yes. Okay, and then if you want them to edit the employee summary, you put it yes. If you don't want them to edit their employee summary, you put it no. Okay, so once you've done that, you will need to change the role to HOD, for example. Okay, and then for this HOD, what is their name? Okay, and then what are the department that they can access to? Okay, in our system, you can let the head of department to access to few departments. Okay, for example, account department, sales departments, okay, IT departments. Okay, you can just select from there. Okay, so over here, this is our leave. Okay, so as I said before, our system only capture paid or unpaid leave. Okay, you can either enter annual leave, unpaid leave, or you want to do half day unpaid, half day paid. It's up to you. And then if you want to add more details one, you can add. Okay, you can put your own color in. Okay, you can put the code in. So you just the difference is whether this is paid or unpaid. For example, unpaid leave, we put it no. Annual leave, we put it yes. Okay, for half day, we put it no. For half day paid, we put it no as well. Okay, so the next setting will be half day. So we will need to tell the system whether this leave is half day or not. So unpaid and paid leave is full day, so we put it no. Half day unpaid, we put it yes. Okay, so when half day are paid or unpaid, we will need to void the late in and early out, because sometimes this employee, they come in the morning and then they leave by the afternoon, or they come in the afternoon and leave by the evening. Okay, so we will void all these late in and early out. um, and then in the summaries, employee summary will show 0.5 day, because it is a half day leave. Okay, on the day settings, you can just insert 1 to 5 hours equals to 0.5 days, or 5 to 24 hours equal to 1 day. Okay, um, this is because our system can actually capture, if for example, like you have hundreds of employees. Okay, so if the employees comes to work just like 4 hours, for example, they clock in the morning and then they leave by the afternoon and they never come back anymore. So in order to find out who is missing uh, after the half day, you will need to put in on the day settings 1 to 5 hours equals to 0.5 days. Okay, so if you go to our attendance sheets, Okay, we will have one icon called half day. Okay, so by setting this, the system will be able to show you who is missing during half day. Okay, and then we will have the work hour setting as well. For example, that the work hours, the full day will be 8 hours, half day will be 4 hours. Okay, okay. This is the termination reason, which you can preview it. So you just insert like few reasons that these employees got terminated. Okay, so in the future, you just need to select from the drop down.